Hey y'all, this is a real live blizzard up in Barrow, Alaska. I know my family's probably wondering why in the world do I live here now, but hey, you know, life is an adventure. But look at how the wind is blowing out here. The wind is trying to open the door, and the snow is blowing so fast. I'm sure y'all can see that. Very quick. I'm gonna take y'all out. Wait 1 minute. Gotta put my gloves on. I'm not going out there without no gloves. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm sure y'all can hear that. That wind is whipping. Look at that. Oh. It's a storm that came up from Anchorage. Well, no, it came from somewhere. I don't know if it came. The wind is blowing from that way. Anchorage is back that way, so it's a storm that moved into this area. And since our land is completely flat, the wind just like races across. There are no mountains or anything to stop any of it. It's actually warmer. It's probably about a good -5 now. And so it's not as bad as it could be. Oh no. Oh my gosh, I can't get back in. I locked myself out. And I'm the only one in there working. Oh no. Oh, but I'm gonna have to go through the other way. Oh shoot. This is not good. The other door is on the other side where the wind is facing. Where's Deborah? Deborah. Okay. Okay. It's not gonna. The wind has gotten even worse. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make a run for the other door and let's try to get to the side. Okay. Oh, that wind is probably about a good -50. 50 below zero. That one's locked too, gosh dang it. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh, the wind is like -50 below zero, and it stings your face. I don't want to run back there. But nobody's. We literally had to cancel a flight. Oh, she's not there. Okay. Okay, it slowed down. Oh gosh. Okay. Okay. She's over there hanging up lights. Look at that. And I'm outside the other die in a blizzard. Oh. Well, that's what Barrow is all about. Oh, I can't believe we got trapped outside. But we don't know how much longer we're going to have these conditions. It's real bad. There's even snow trying to creep under the door here. It was a nice adventure with y'all, but I'll see y'all later. Bye.